Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. We at MEXA are thrilled to introduce our latest innovation, AMEX, an artificial intelligence software especially designed to automate tasks within the manufacturing industry. Presentation of the product and its benefits. Well, IMEX leverage advanced AI algorithms to streamline manufacturing processes, reduce operational costs, and enhance productivity. It features predictive maintenance, real-time monitoring, and quality control analytics. By introducing AMEX, expect significant improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and output. Solution to USACO's problem. Well, we understand USACO faces high costs and inefficiencies in your current processes. AMEX can reduce downtime by up 40% and optimize production schedules, potential increase in output by 30%. With this will cut costs and improve your competitive edge. Negotiation of terms. We are committed to a mutually beneficial partnership and we are open to discussing terms to best suit USACO's needs, including flexible pricing models, tailored support packages, and integration timelines aligned with your strategic goals. We look forward to a productive discussion. Thank you.